general form. So general form is this one, equation of general form. Equation of general form ax plus by plus c equals 0. This is called as the general form of a straight line. So why this form, general form, is needed means because every equation of the straight line can be put in this general form, and this form can be converted in all the forms. Yes, or any form can be put in this, in the form of general form, and we can convert the general form in terms of any other forms, different form. For example, you take the general form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then you isolate y, then what you get, by is equal to minus ax minus c, y is equal to minus a by bx minus c by b. So y is equals to minus a by bx minus c by b. So this is, which form is this? Y is equal to mx plus c form. Yes, sir, y is equal to mx plus. Here minus a by b is slope. Slope is minus a by b, and you can write, otherwise you write one more step. So you can write this thing as minus a by b into x plus minus c by b. So here y is equal to, this one is slope and this one is y-intercept. Yes or no? So we converted this in the form of what? Slope-intercept form. And we can write in the form of x by a plus y by b also. That is, so on x-axis, what, y is equal to 0. So if you put y is equal to 0, ax plus c equal to 0, x equal to minus c by a. Next, on y-axis, x equal to 0, then it becomes what? By plus c equal to 0. That implies y is equal to minus c by b. So you can write it in intercept form also, x by a plus y by b equal to, so because on x-axis, suppose a minus c by a comma 0, on y-axis x is 0, therefore 0 comma minus c by b. Therefore intercept form, to intercept form also we can write x by a is what? Minus c by a, plus y by b is called minus c by b equal to 1. You can put in this form also. So we can put any of the forms. See, here slope is what? Minus a by b. Y is equal to mx plus c. Slope is minus a by b. So directly, without converting y in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, so how to write the slope of this line? Ax plus, general form is given. So how to write the slope of the general form? Coefficient of, see, minus of coefficient of x over coefficient of y. That is the slope of the line. Y-intercept is what? Y-intercept is this minus c by b, that is the y-intercept. X-intercept is what? Minus c by a. This is x-intercept. Minus c by is x-intercept. Minus c by b is y-intercept. So write down. Next point is, for ax plus by plus c equal to 0, for the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, first point is slope. Slope is minus a by b. You memorize this as the result. Next, x-intercept. X-intercept is equal to what? Minus c by a. Next, third one, y-intercept. Y-intercept is equal to minus c by b. Example, suppose 3x minus 4y plus 6 equals 0. This line is given. It is a general form. So for this line, first one, we will write slope. Slope is equal to minus a by b. Therefore, minus 3 by minus 4. Therefore, slope is equal to what? 3 by 4. Next, second one is x-intercept. X-intercept is equal to minus c by a. Minus c by m minus 6 by 3. That is equal to minus 2. So this is x-intercept. Third one is, means on x-axis it intersect minus 2 comma 0 like this. Yes or no? That is x-intercept. Next, y-intercept. Y-intercept is what? Minus c by b. Therefore, minus 6 by minus 4. That is, oh, sorry, 3 by 2. So this is y. So what is the importance of the general form? So there is the importance of general form. So what is the use of the general form? What is the importance of the general form? Means suppose, so with the general form, that is with this general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we can handle all the situations. So all the situation means, for example, if the line is a vertical line, suppose the line is, this is x-axis, suppose the line is this this y-axis, suppose the line is a vertical line, suppose the line is, suppose x equal to 2 line, that is this angle is not 90 degrees. Suppose the line is a vertical line, then its slope is what? Undefined or not? Tan 90 degrees.
Can you repeat?
Undefined. That's why in that situation, can you use y is equal to mx plus c form? No.
No, sir. No,
We
sir.
cannot use, because m is undefined. That's why we cannot handle this situation with this form. Yes or no? And with this form also we cannot handle, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, because here x-intercept is there. Is there y-intercept? Y-intercept is also
No, sir.
undefined here, because it is not intersecting y-axis. Therefore, this form also, with this form also we cannot handle the situation. So with this situation also we cannot handle, with this line also we cannot handle this situation. That's why now this is x equal to 2 only. Therefore, this can be written as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 2 equal to 0. The line which is parallel vertical line is represented by x equal to constant. Yes or no? This distance is constant on this line. X equal to 2. You can write like this. This is 1 into x plus 0 into y minus 2 equal to 0. Can you write like this also or not? X minus 2 can be expressed in the general form. A is 1 here, B is 0, C is minus 2. So this situation can be handled with only of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So not only this one, the same horizontal situation also. Suppose this is x-axis, y-axis. Suppose you take any horizontal line, that is, suppose this is 3 units. So this line is y is equal to 2. So this also we cannot handle with this one. We can handle with this one, because slope is 0. Yes or no? Y is equal to 2 form. Here m is equal to 0, y is equal to c. C is what? 2. Y-intercept is there. But here we cannot handle with this form. Yes or no? Here x-intercept is undefined, a is undefined. But we can handle with this form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Because how can you write this one? Y minus 2 equal to 0, that is 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 equal to 0. This is the general form. On a vertical line, suppose this y-axis, this x-axis, suppose this is 0. Suppose this line, vertical line is given. Suppose this vertical line is given. Suppose on a vertical line, somewhere, some point, some 4 comma 3 is given, suppose somewhere. So now what is the equation of this vertical line? Tell me. Some one point is given on this vertical line. Then what is the equation of this vertical line? x equal to 4, because here also the distance x coordinate is 4 or not, because this distance is always 4. You take any point on this line, x coordinate will be fixed or not.
Yes.
That's why we denote this line with x equal to 4, because this is a constant. Y varies, y changes. Here y is 3. If you take some other point 4 comma 2, y is 2. Here 4 comma 0, y is 0. But x is fixed. That's why we represent this vertical line which passes through 4 comma 3 is x equal to 4. Means on a vertical line, if you have any point, if one point is given, then you can write the equation of that line. What is the equation? X coordinate of that point. X equal to x coordinate of that point. Okay, x equal to 4. Any point, any one of the point, if you know on a vertical line, then x equal to x coordinate is the line equation. Okay, na? Therefore, for equation of vertical line will be of the form, equation of the vertical line will be of the form x equal to constant. Yes or no? X equal to constant vertical line. So for example, suppose 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Is it a vertical line or not? Yes, x equal to minus 5 by 3. It's a vertical line. So it's a vertical line. Vertical line. How will be the vertical line here? So this is x-axis and y-axis. This is x equal to minus 2 point something. Therefore, so this line is minus 5 by 3. So this is minus 5 by 3 comma 0. This is equal to what? X equal to minus 5 by 3. So vertical line is of the form x equal to constant. Similarly, horizontal line will take. Suppose y is equal to constant. Suppose example. So this is x-axis and y-axis. Suppose the line is like this. Suppose this passes through. Suppose on this line plus fourth quadrant plus minus plus minus. Suppose this is 2 comma minus 4 is given, for example. So what is the line equation? Tell me here. Y is equal to minus 4. Yes. So y is equals to minus 4. This line equation is what? Y is equal to minus 4, because this distance is same, 4 units. Yes, sir. So this is y is equal to. Therefore, horizontal line will be of the form what? Vertical line will be x equal to k. Equation of horizontal line will be of the form, equation of horizontal line will be of the form y is equal to constant. Still, next point is on x-axis y is equal to 0. On y-axis x equal to 0.